Hey guys, it is Lane Morgan here, owner of Renown Cargo Trailers, located in Douglas, Georgia, the cargo capital of the world. And one of our specialties that we've jumped into is mobile pet grooming trailers, mobile dog grooming trailers. And behind me, I've got this little girl. I've named this trailer Sweet Baby Mama because this thing is so sweet. And you're about to see what I'm talking about. But this is an 8.5 by 24 mobile pet grooming trailer. Typically we build them 7 by 14, 7 by 16, but this one right here, go big or go home, and they did it with this trailer. I think there's going to be multiple groomers in here, and you're going to see how big and spacious it looks on the inside. And speaking of that, let's check out this trailer. Y'all ready to go inside?
Whoa, let's brother get some privacy.
Oh, okay. I thought that was the inside of the trailers, guys. That is actually a bathroom. Yes, this mobile pet grooming trailer has a bathroom in it. Jake, you can show them. It's got a hand wash sink, a toilet, and a base cabinet, little vanity cabinet with your 12-volt light up there. Exhaust fan, trimmed out nice, white metal walls, wood grain floor. You see it. Step well on the side. So we just had to play with y'all a little bit. There is a bathroom on this trailer. This is my man, Austin King. He knows tons about enclosed cargo trailers, and he is going to help me with this as we go around it. First off, Austin, I wanted to show them, we got a bad boy generator right here, dual fuel cell generator. Runs off LP, liquid propane, or gasoline. It is an 11,000 watt generator. This thing right here will power everything in the trailer, no problem. Right here, we've got a motor base plug. So there's a 50 amp cord that plugs into that, just like on a camper, guys. Twist and lock it, plug it into your generator, boom, you're ready to go. Right here, we've got a 5,000 pound electric jack. This is a jack made by Husky. Guys, you see it right there, up and down. About 80% of our grooming customers are females, and they ain't got the strength to wind that jack up and down manually. So we make it easy for them. All they gotta do is hit a switch. Boom, up and down. I'm a man and I don't wanna wind that jack. But guys, here we go, right here. You see that steel platform. 7-gauge steel right there, guys. Thick, it ain't going nowhere. It's not your plywood platform that you're gonna have to replace one day. It is made out of steel. It will last a lifetime. 12-volt battery right here. That's what's powering your jack. That's what's also powering your awning. Got a 100-pound propane cage right here with your propane tank. So what's cool about our trailers is, one, we have perfected this design, guys. Nobody builds mobile grooming trailers like us. There's a lot of copycats out there, but we have exclusive rights to these trailers because this manufacturer said, hey, we want to team up with y'all. Y'all do the best job when it comes to mobile grooming trailers. Let's put our minds together. So we started coming up with innovative and creative ideas. We've designed this thing. We've got the exclusive rights to it. So again, we're not the cheapest, but we are the best. And we are the only ones that can put you in this exact trailer. I promise you, there's nobody else that can put you in this trailer but us at Renown Cargo. Right here, we've got an awning, guys. This is a 24-foot trailer. Looks like it's got a 22-foot awning on it. And this awning is made by Lippert. These are the same awnings that you see on the nice motorhomes as well. Got a GFI receptacle. If you'll look at the exterior, guys, well, this receptacle, if you need to plug up a fan and let your awning out while customers are waiting on their dogs, you can set up some tables, a sitting area, let the awning out, keep them out of the sun or the rain, plug up a TV, whatever you need, coffee pot, create a little sitting area for people to drink coffee while they're waiting on their dogs. But there's your plug-in outlet. We've got a 30 by 30 window right here, tinted on the outside. You can't see in, but you can see out. It does have a screen on it. This is a two-tone pattern, guys. This is polycore exterior. This is not your typical aluminum siding. This is 080 material. We did charcoal gray in the front, black in the rear, two-tone. Looks really good going down the road. Got a blackout special on it. All your trim is done in black, and then you've got your nice alloy wheels. It really pops with this charcoal gray and black with the blackout special. We've also got some LED lights up under the awning, so when you let the awning out and the sun's going down, you turn these lights on, it is going to look amazing, guys. But again, I love these awnings. They are really nice. If you'll come right here, we've got an RV step right here on the side. We're gonna go inside and introduce you into some other people, and I'm gonna let Austin take over the video after that. So inside here, guys, I'm gonna turn us on some lights. We've got some LED lights in the ceiling. This is Cheryl, our finance manager here at Renown Cargo Trailers, and this is Erin, my sister. She's a sales rep here. And we've got little right here. We've got Chip in the tub as well. And then Cheryl, what's your dog's name? This is our new addition to the family.
Little Dodge.
Little Dodge. So we got 3 little puppies here. You can see they are loving the trailer as well. And that's one thing we try to do when we build our trailers is create an environment for the dogs to feel relaxed in. There's a couple of things that we do. This is like a spa day for them. When they go to the groomer, these people that are bringing their dogs to the groomer, they want it to be like a spa for them. So we've got kennels in here. They can groom a lot of dogs. Like I said, multiple people can actually work in this trailer. And it doesn't feel like you're inside a trailer at all, guys. This is a 24-foot, and it feels like an office space. I was talking to another customer the other day. They were in the brick or mortar. They built one of these, and they said there's more room actually in their 24-foot trailer than there is in the brick and mortar. They were operating out of a little storage building, and they love their trailer way better. And they're mobile. They're able to move from location to location if they want to. They're not stuck to one specific market. So Austin, you want to just start at the front and show them around?
All right, you guys, so we're inside of this pet grooming trailer. First off, we're going to start in the front of it. Of course, you can see behind me is this big partition wall. That's what Lane showed you me inside the bathroom earlier. So that is your bathroom inside of there. On your front wall here, you have an overhead cabinet just for a little bit of extra storage that you may need, as well as your panel is sitting beside that. So that's going to control all of your 110 stuff. You have a radio under here with your power switch on and off for it. You also have cabinet lights, so if this door was shut, you also have cabinet lights up under here, so you have a little bit of light to see what you're doing on top of these cages. If you look down, this is a 2-bank cage. They are made by, let's see here, Pro Select. Nice, easy, functional cages. Just pull them out. It also has a divider, so if you wanted to make this one large cage, you could pull out that divider like so. And this ain't the only cages we have in here. If you'll look behind us a little bit, we also have 2 more big banks as well, the same thing.
And Little Dodge is in there. He's in jail right now. But while you're grooming dogs, guys, look, there's a couple of tables in here, grooming tables. These are electric tables. We've got straps on them so that they do go up and down. There's a smooth transition. They're not your gas shock table that you're sitting there pumping with your foot. This is a smooth ride so the dog's not scared when it's going up and down on the table. Again, multiple tables. There's going to be multiple groomers in here. They're going to be stacking a lot of bread, grooming a lot of dogs in here. Go ahead, Austin, show them the rest.
If you'll turn to the right here, Jake, we have our Flying Pig dryer. So this is going to be our dryer for our dogs. You can set the temperature and the speed of the fan and everything as well. Up here, this is going to go all into, and on the front, you see we have a battery. On that battery on top, we also have a solar panel. So that solar panel is sending juice into the battery to keep it all charged. And this is a 12-volt converter system or inverter system that's taking all of this 12-volt energy and they're taking 110 and powering it, or vice versa. This right here is going to be your wall mount heater. So it's a baseboard heater. It'll keep it really warm compared to ACs that just have heat strips in them. That is an actual heater for it. Up top right here, this would be your on and off switch for your shop vac. So in the back of this trailer, we have a shop vac and it's plumbed through the wall with the hose coming all the way up here so you can reach anywhere inside of this trailer for whenever you have hair on the ground or dirt and you're just cleaning up after a long day. Up here in the front, we have a glass door refrige so you can actually see through it. If you wanted to sell your customers some drinks or something while you're in here as well, they can just see through it and see the selection you have, but you do have a freezer here or a refrigerator.
Another design that I like with these cages is you notice there's plenty of workspace up here. So you can actually work on dogs over here. On top of the cages, there's more countertop space right here as well. We've got another dryer again. There's gonna be multiple groomers in here, so we've got another dryer system. One can be drying in the front, one can be drying in the back. We've got overhead cabinets up here as well, guys. This is, on our trailers, we do an instant hot water heater. If you're grooming dogs, you never wanna run out of hot water. I don't like taking cold baths, and neither do dogs. So that's one thing that separates us. We have an instant hot water heater. You will never run out of hot water. And we've got it hooked to our tub right here, Flying Pig tub, best tubs in the industry, guys. We don't cut corners. Again, we're not the cheapest, but we're gonna build you the best product, and you're gonna leave here happy with a huge smile on your face and be able to make lots of money and groom whatever pound dog you want to in there. A lot of the other tubs that I've tried to use in the past, they're just flimsy. They don't hold up. I'm 275 pounds and I can get in this tub and it won't flex. That's what you want. Right here we've got some more lights as well. Plenty of LED lights that turn on the hot water heater as well. So I'm gonna cut them off. Right here again, there's Chip and Little ready to get them a bath and get groomed. If you'll notice the interior, guys, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of us inside of this trailer, and we don't feel like we're on top of each other. You could easily have 3 or 4 people working in here and you won't feel crowded. You got plenty of height. There's 7.5 foot interior height on this trailer. All the walls are finished in white metal, 030 metal, or actually that's polycore. It's not metal, it's even better than metal. We've got it finished in polycore. Real easy to clean. Everything is sealed tight. There's no gaps. So when you're trying to wipe stuff down, it's real easy to clean up in here. That's another thing that people love about our trailers. We've got a wood grain floor, guys. We've got your backsplash. Look at your brick black splash in the back up there.
And a second heater.
Got a second heater. They do not have to worry about getting cold in this thing. We've got ACs on top, 15,000 BTU air conditioner. We've got a TV. If they want to take a break during lunch or groom dogs and watch TV, they can do that. We've also got your radio system in there, so if you want to turn on some nice soothing music while the dogs are in here to relax, you can do that and just create a great environment for the dogs while they're getting groomed. What else, guys, is there to show you?
Have an exhaust fan in the back to pull that heat out.
So if you know anything, when you're drying dogs, you don't need a lot of humidity, so there's an exhaust fan in here that pulls any of the air out. So when you're drying dogs, you'll be able to dry them twice as fast with that exhaust fan.
All right, you guys, so the back of our trailer, that trademark that we always talk about that we started doing was the back of our trailer, we put our plumbing closet. So on the back of this, just instead of the way they used to do it was put it all up under cabinets, it would be hard to work on, or you couldn't actually visually see if there was anything wrong, but now you can. So we put our whole plumbing closet in the back of this trailer. In here you have a freshwater tank as well as a waste tank. It is dump valved out over here on this side. It runs up under your trailer, so you don't have to worry about them big bulky tanks up under your trailer dragging on a railroad track or anything anymore. Also, Lane said this is a instant hot water heater. It is an LP gas, so it's a propane hot water heater, so it'll definitely get hot very, very quick. You got on and off valves. Some customers don't really know this. If you don't want to drive with a full tank and you can fill up wherever you are, you got to make a long trip, you can actually drain your tank right here. That'll push water out of the bottom. Also, when I told you that hose was plumbed through the back with the shop vac, this is your shop vac. It does have an easy detach where you can drop your dirt or your hair out of. Also have light back here so you'll be able to see. And then also here, you have where you can fill up your tank, or if you're out back behind your brick and mortar or your house and you're actually grooming dogs there, you can hook up directly to your water hose and don't even worry about filling up your fresh water tank. So that is the plumbing closet we got. Lane, if we'll step back on the other side, I'm pretty sure he's pulling out the awning for you guys to show y'all what it looks like.
Like I said, if you got your customers out here and you're inside grooming dogs, you can create a nice cozy environment out here, out of the sun, out of the weather. Set up some little chairs, what I picture is maybe setting up a couple of chairs and a little ottoman table and serving people coffee, man. Have a little coffee pot out here. Let them drink some coffee while they're grooming their dogs. But guys, this is one of the baddest pet grooming trailers that we've ever built.
Nice.
Like I said, I nicknamed her Little Bad Mama because this is a little bad mama. And she is going to make someone a lot of money. If you're ever wanted to be your own boss, there's not a better industry than mobile pet grooming. I've never had one customer that I've ever built a trailer for that's ever failed in this business. I can't say that about all the other stuff that we do. The food business sometimes is risky, concession trailers. I'm just gonna be honest with you. This right here is 100% no fail proof. If you will get up and hustle every day, I promise you, you can create 6 figures or more in your family's life by doing mobile pet grooming. So if you're interested in one of these trailers, guys, we build the best mobile pet grooming trailer out there in the industry. We're actually getting presented an award by the National Grooming Association for the most innovative product in 2023. And guys, we're excited about that. But we have designed the best mobile pet grooming trailer out there in the industry, and we can't wait to maybe earn your business next. So y'all give us a call at Renown Cargo Trailers, 888-287-3954. You can find us online at renowncargotrailers.com. We've also launched a new pet grooming website. Do you know the name of it?
I do not off the top of my head.
We'll get back with you on that, but we're launching a brand new mobile pet grooming trailer website just for these specific trailers, guys, because we love building them and we love meeting new customers, and this is just an amazing industry to be part of, and we're glad just to be a little small part of your amazing dreams and watch you succeed in grooming dogs. So guys, again, my name's Lane Morgan. Be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out all our videos. There's tons more trailers on there, more pet grooming trailers. Follow us on Facebook. Tell all your friends about us, and we look forward to meeting y'all soon. And one other thing I gotta say, the whole reason I got in this business, it was never about one of these. It was always about people. And I want you to know that one thing out of this whole video, the most important thing I can say is I want you to know that Jesus loves you. You know, when I was 26 years old, I collided with the love of God, and it changed my life forever. I was a mess at my best. I went through a very dark period of time in my life, and I didn't know which way to go. I kept trying to help myself, and I'd always fall flat on my face. Jesus was always like Santa Claus to me. I'd heard about him, people told me about him, but I never experienced the real thing. And when I was 26 years old one day, I was at my wit's end, and I was ready for it to all be over. And I cried on the name of Jesus. I didn't have anything else to lose. I'd lost everything. I cried on the name of Jesus, and he met me right where I was at. His word says that he will not reject the brokenhearted. He did not reject me, and he will not reject you. I don't care what you're doing right now, what you did last night. Jesus loves you right where you're at. And if he'll change my heart and save me and create a beautiful life for me, he'll do it for you as well. He turned my ashes into beauty. If he'll do it for me, he'll do it for you. I promise you, my story will scare you if you knew my past. But if you knew me then and knew me now, you would know that he was real as well. So guys, thanks for watching our videos. If you ever want to talk about a trailer, give us a call. If you want to talk about Jesus, we love doing that too. That's where Renown Cargo came from. Renown means to make famous. And we've got the crown of thorns on our logo, and we want to make Jesus' name famous, guys. Thanks again. We love y'all a bunch. Can't wait to see y'all soon. Y'all know the rest.
Until then, y'all be blessed.